Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome to HTML5, beginning HTML5, number 9, tutorial number 9, which is going to be lists. So now there are three different types of lists. There are ordered lists, unordered lists, and there are definition lists. So now we are going to go over those two. So now the tag for ordered lists is OL. So that's OL. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of tiering, and you're going to do another tag called an LI. There you go, LI. And LI is list item. Now we're going to do add element, add tags, complete close tags, upload HTML document. And now we're going to go back here so it's nice and clean. There you go. And now you have an ordered list. As you see, it's got an order, which in this case is number 1, 2, and then 3. And then you see you have 1, 2, and 3. That is an ordered list, and the browser indents the list, by default indents it over, and has each of these guys here. And you could use a tag, you could use an attribute inside of the tag to declare whether you want it in Roman numerals, letters, or in this case numbers. But that's mainly used in CSS, so we're going to do that in CSS. Okay, so that's ordered list. And then we have unordered list, which is UL, and the tags for those guys are the same exact thing. So we're going to do add tag, add tags, close tags, and then upload, I forgot the P in that one, HTML document, and close the LI. Now I might need a horizontal. Okay, so I don't need a line break there. And you see unordered list just puts dots, and you could basically, you could type an attribute in there to change it, but we're going to use the CSS in order to change that property. So that's unordered list, and you see the only difference is the leading tag that you put on there to change that into whatever you would like. And now we have the third type, which is definition list. In this guy, we're going to do the same thing, except for in this case, you have the DT tag, which is definition term, and then you have the DD, which contains the definition. The definition, I guess. So we're going to say tags, and we're going to say DD. They identify they identify information about your page. About page. Close DD. Let me go ahead and pull some of the spaces out, or so we get the DD to finish. Okay, and then we're gonna say close the tags, or we'll do another DT. We'll do another DT, which we're going to call elements. Or, sorry, attribute. We'll call it attributes. Whatever. Okay, things you put inside the tags. Okay, let's see how Dreamweaver does it. There we go. So basically how this works is the definition list starts out with the definition term, and the definition term is not indented, and then the definition is indented, or the DD, and the definition term is not, and then the DD is indented. Now finally, of course, you could do the other way, which is to nest two things inside of each other. So for example, if I copied this, so if I copied this guy, and I put him inside this ordered list, you'd see them nested inside. So, and you see that these change from solid dots to not solid dots, the empty bullets, I guess you could call them. And you see that they're inside. So you could do that any way that you want. And here you see the unordered list. And then we would probably indent each of these guys to make sure that you could read it properly and tell where these guys close and where it goes back. So here it goes back to the third element in the ordered list, and then it jumps out of the ordered list. So that's a nesting lists there, and those are the three types of lists. And you can nest them however you want, you know, or change these, but you could change these in CSS. So that's where we're going to change these numbers when we get to CSS. But those are the three types of lists, and yeah. So this has been my tutorial on lists. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you like these videos, please subscribe for other videos in this series and other series like it. And I will see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to email me at LegitTechTutorials@gmail.com, and I will see you in the next video of this series, or if you're watching any other series, I'll see you there. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.